Ahmed will be drawing a map.
Shabash, very good. So only difference required is here, helping verb. So will is the helping verb here, and be will become the supporting helping verb to this helping verb. This, है ना? When you're learning tenses, I always ask you to keep your sentences shorter and easier for yourself to understand. Just because you are using complex and compound sentence structures, you are actually making mistakes frequently. So we were going to which zoo? A zoo,
Miss,
da zoo. Like you have to specify the nouns as well, na? Yes.
Miss, I wrote this before you told me.
So why did you do that?
I wasn't getting a sentence.
Okay, let
Or
me share what you have done. Okay. Always keep one thing in remember. I'm not saying you should not do things in advance. I'm not saying it. I'm just asking you when you are doing it, try to use simple sentences. So
okay.
if you will see your work, it is so hodgepodge. The box does not have that much space. Like you could write a longer sentence over there. I have given you limited space to create and practice your sentences. So by looking into the space, you should try to accommodate your writing. Okay, instead of this now, what you have to do is ask Mama to give you the printout of this particular page to practice more. Right?
Okay.
Now let's getting back to the work again. So okay, now you have to practice what? You have to practice simply continuous forms. We'll do that. And continuous form, you just have to follow this structure. Subject should be there, helping verb should be there, considering the forms like past, present, future, and verb with ing form, and objects. Now, let's talk about how you can convert verbs into the continuous form. So now take out your notebook.
Miss,
Yes.
for verbs, which word can't we make it to continuous? Change it to continuous.
No word. No word.
One can't.
What is that?
Verb.
Mm-hmm.
Verb.
At first place, why a verb cannot be converted is a point. It's a noun. Verb is a noun itself. For a noun, there is no need to convert it. So verb itself is a noun. It's a name
Okay.
of a form and a structure. That is the reason you cannot add ing. But there is no verb itself as a word or action which cannot be converted into ing.
Okay.
For most verbs, we just add ing. For example, eat, eating, start, starting, do, doing. Your turn. Read, reading, cook, cooking, jump, jumping, wait, hope, hoping. For verbs ending in ie, we drop the ie and add ing. Tie, tying. Die, dying. Lie, lying. Lie, lying. Die, dying. Tie, tying. For one-syllable verbs, when they end consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last consonant and add ing. Run, consonant, vowel, consonant. Running. Swim, swimming. Stop, stopping. Remember, don't double if final letter is W, X, Y. Sow, sowing. Mix, mixing. Play, playing. Sit, setting. Put, putting. Get, getting. Plan, planning. Review.
Which words can be which words are available? X, Y, and
W.
W. Okay.
Watch, watching. See, seeing. Run, running. Write, writing. Lie, lying. Exercise. Your turn. Walk, play. Verbs ending in double E, we just add ing. See, seeing. Agree, agreeing. Flee, fleeing. Oversee,
Oversee.
overseeing. See, seeing.